All right, so here's practice problem 1. We're going to reflect this triangle over the y-axis. We're going to record all the coordinates. So the first thing I want you to do is take a color, not black, on your pear deck, and I want you to highlight the y-axis. This is the line that we are flipping over, okay? So the way we do this is we count each point. We count how far it is from that y-axis. So for point A, it's 1, 2, 3 spaces from the red line. So we're going to go to the red line and we're going to go 3 spaces in the other direction. 1, 2, 3. So here is where A prime is. Okay? There's 3 spaces here. There's 3 spaces here. They have to be the same distance from the red line, from the y-axis, okay? So now we're going to go to point B. How far is B from the red line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting from that red line, we're going to count 5 spaces going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we label this B prime. And then finally C is just 1 space. So we count 1 space the other direction, C prime, and now we connect our points. Make sure it's a straight line. So we flip the shape over, and we flipped it over that red line. That's called a reflection. So now they gave us our A's. We need to figure out, or they gave us A, B, C. We need to find where is A prime, B prime, and C prime. So A prime is located at 3, 5. And B prime is located at 5, 1. And C prime is located at 1, 2. Okay? So what you're going to see on your conjecture is that whenever you reflect over the y-axis, all your x values become their opposite. The y values stay the same. So let's look at that. Did that actually happen? A was -3, now it's positive. B was -5, now it's positive. C was -1, now it's positive. So all of our x values, which is the first number in the ordered pair, they flipped and became their opposite. The y values are exactly the same, right? Because we're traveling to move this point B, it's moving to the right, okay? And right to left affects the x value. But it didn't get any higher or lower, right? It's still here at 1. So the y value would stay the same because the y value tells you how far up and down you go. So for today's lesson, only our x values are going to change. All of our y's will stay the same.